With the professor in practice, there are some interesting areas you can think about in terms of recruitment that a lot of the people that we've talked to don't necessarily want to become full-time academics. They want to work maybe for a day a week or a week a month or a month every 6 months in university. So there's lots more prospects there around kind of flexible recruitment and bringing in lots of different people. How significant that's going to be in business schools in 5 or 10 years' time, I honestly don't know. We're a university. From a Surrey perspective, we are a university. We are an academic institution. Bringing in more practice is a little bit alien in some ways, is a little bit different, and how much traditional academic conservative with the small c institutions would be happy to pick up on that kind of practice agenda, I'm not 100% certain.
There's the danger as well, maybe then, to become too vocational almost, and to lose that sort of academic element to it. So maybe it's about bridging that. If you do get somebody in who is a professor of management and practice or whatever, who is then linked up with an academic and they do things together rather than on their own, so that it can be, complemented almost.
Absolutely. I mean, some of the biggest successes over the last couple of years we've had on our MBA programme have been around co-teaching and having the practitioner and the academic in the room together, often sparking off one another and kind of arguing and debating and discussion. Yeah. But also at the same time, giving practitioners a real appreciation of how academic theory and academic work can help inform their practice, and also academics getting a much better sense of where maybe they can have some kind of impact with their work because they're talking to practitioners on a much more frequent and often basis.